Welcome to the E3 quick training on viewing Cortana search results. There are many different features in the E3 platform, but for this video we're going to focus on the data triage portion of the tool. So you might ask yourself, which tools is this functionality available in? Both the E3 Universal and E3 P2C have the hard drive analysis functionality that you would need to be able to use the data triage function. When you collect data with data triage, what type of data do you get? We're going to go through that. And we're also going to show you how you see the Cortana search data. So when we talk about what data is collected, first off, of course, we need the file system information. We can read evidence files from a variety of different tools to include FTK Imager, EnCase, DD, PFR, Forensic Replicator Format. All of those can be read directly into the E3 platform. When we look to triage the data, we look for data associated with the email databases, chat databases, internet browser, Cortana searches, other Windows 10 artifacts, and then we also look for recently used files in the My Documents folder. Each of these are shown as a separate item in the tree view associated with your image. So how do you see the Cortana data? Now I'm going to walk you through a video on how you see that data. So now let's get started with the drive image that we've already loaded into the E3 platform. In the case content pane, we open the data triage node. As we see when we open our case image, we have two different nodes in our content analysis pane. That data triage node will open, and we're going to look to a specific area of this node to look for those Cortana data. We look in the Windows Search and Communication, the iNet cache directory, and then we see different directories based on the users. We find our users directory, and we can see the HTML file that represents their search results they did with Cortana. If we look at their results, they're looking for the most creative way to hide a dead body. An interesting thing to ask Cortana, of course. So as you see, you get a variety of different pieces of information based on that Windows 10 key. You'll see different pictures and methods. If we go to look to some of the other areas, we can see that one of our other users, looking at their HTML files, have looked for airport hotels or hotels in Denver. We look to the next one, and they also looked for airport hotels in Denver. Now you've been able to see some of the valuable information that can be found associated with using Cortana for searches in a Windows system. If you're interested in doing a trial of the E3 platform, simply email us at trial@paraben.com.